Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Audacity and Podomatic. Audacity is free software you can download from the web, and you can use this program to record your voice, your podcast, and to edit it. And Podomatic is a site where you can open an account and you can publish your podcasts. Okay, so let's start with Audacity. We are going to type the name of the program in order to download it. As you can see, it's a recorder and editor. So here we have the page. You can download it from here, or you can click on here. Okay, we are given the different options for the different systems. I'm going to choose the one for Windows. We are also given the two options, the installer and the zip file. I'm going to choose the first one, so I won't have to unzip it. And you can see that it is already being downloaded. So we will just wait until it is completely downloaded. Okay, so now we can install it in our computer. They open this window in which they ask us for permission if we allow it to be run. So we say yes. And they are asking us for permission to install it in our computer. We choose the language. We accept our native language, and then they open the installer, and we just say click on next and next, next. And now they are asking me if I want to install it again, because I already have it in my computer. So I decide no. I just wanted to show you the different steps to install it in your computer. Do I wish to leave the installer? Yes. Okay, now let me tell you something very important. We also have to download an encoder, this encoder, lame MP3. This is necessary because when you finish recording your podcast and you want to export it from the audio editor, you need to transform it into an MP3 file. So let's look for this encoder or plugin. Here we click on lame download page, and they offer us this link. We will click on it. Okay, so now we are being offered this lame and FFmpeg for Audacity. For Windows user, I will choose this one. Okay, and here we have the options for Windows and we have the options for Mac, but we need the one for Windows, so I will click here. Again, you can see that it is being downloaded here. Okay, but it will take just a few seconds. Okay, it's already downloaded, so we click here. Again, they want us to say yes, we want to run it, and we allowed it. We give permission to. So you can see that the setup wizard is open, and we just click on next and next and next, install it, and finish. It's very quickly. Okay, so we are ready to use Audacity. So we can close this, and this is my desktop. You can see that right here I have the icon for Audacity, so I open it from here. Okay, you will always see this window in which they are offering you help on how to use it, but today I'm going to close it. Okay, so this is Audacity. Here you have the typical buttons of a tape recorder. If you want to record your file, if you want to pause, to play it, to stop, to go to the beginning of the recording or to the end of it, and here you have other typical tools like cut and copy and paste, and here you have the typical arrows. This is the undo and redo if you want to repeat the action again, and here you have the zoom in and the zoom out, and here we have very useful tools used to edit. You also have this if you want to name a file, to save it, to import a file, to I don't see the one for exporting. Yes, because they are not allowed now. The editing, and here you have some effects you can give to your audio files. Okay, so let's start to record a short message so I can show you how to use these important tools. Okay, so I'm going just to record a very short message. Hello everybody, I'm trying to explain how to use Audacity to record and to edit new files. I hope you find this useful. Okay, I'm so sorry you won't be able to hear this, but now I'm going to import another file which I have selected to have some music in the background. Okay, so I will open this and I want to import audio, and I'm looking for my this is the one I have selected already, and I want to open it. I love Led Zeppelin, but this is just a short melody. It's only guitar by Jimmy Page. I don't know if it's too loud, but this is the one I chose it. Okay, so now you can see that the song is like 2 minutes, and it's a little bit too long because my spoken file, it's very short compared to this song, and you can see that my spoken file, it's only recorded in one channel, so it's mono, and the song is recorded in 2 channels, so here it says stereo. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on this. I'm gonna show you, let's give this zoom in a little bit. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use this. This is the selecting tool. Here you can select it, and with this you can play only the thing you want to listen, or maybe you can choose to delete it. So you just push the delete button. But okay, I'm gonna show you just. No, I don't want to erase this part. I prefer to erase a little bit at the end. Okay, so delete it. Okay, now. Okay, so let me show you how we can use these tools. I'm going to select this part of the song. It's because there is nothing in there, so I'm going to delete it. Okay, a little bit more, this part, and I'm going to show you how to use this. This is the time shifting tool. So I place it here and I can move this, you see? So this way we will hear first the music as an introduction, as a background music. Okay, so now I'm going to zip out a little bit. Okay, now with this is the envelope tool. Okay, with this I can make some movements. I can lower the voice of the music like this, you see? But I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna place another point here, and I can move this so it will get lower and lower, okay, so that my voice will be heard and only the music will be heard at the end. Okay, I think this time I can erase the rest of the music. I have to use the selection music. Well, let me show you a little bit about this. I don't think you will be using this much. I think this is too professional tool, because to use this pencil you need to first to zip it, to zoom it a lot until you see these points, and these are the points you can move as you wish. But you need to be an expert in sound and audio in order to, I don't know, to change it in a nice way. So I just wanted to show you how to use this pencil. So let's zoom it out again to the original size, more or less. Okay, here we are. So I was showing you that we were lowering the sound of the music. We were using the envelope. This is called like a multitasking tool. So it can be used as an envelope and as a selection. So let me show you. For example, here it can select piece of the music, and I want to delete this part, and I also can use it as you see, as an envelope. So we can do something like this. Okay, so I'm gonna erase the rest of the song, just delete it. Okay, and let's go back to the beginning of the song, of the audio file. I'm just going to listen to it. I'm so sorry you cannot hear it. Okay, so I have already played, and well, for a first try it's okay. Okay, so now we want to name this file. It's already done. So here you can save it. Okay, and we will call it test 1.1. Okay, save it, and we can close this. Okay, now let's do something else. Let's open Podomatic. Okay, so I was telling you that Podomatic is a website where you can open an account and publish your files. So I will open it, and here we have it. Okay, you can sign up by through Facebook or through your email, and then you can log in. I have already made my own account, so I will log in through through my email. So I will open my Word and log in. Okay, so they always open this, but I will choose to do this later. And here you can see a page with your name on it, and you can view your page by clicking in here, view my public profile. Okay, okay, so this is my account in Podomatic. I am following these people who are my colleagues, and here you can edit your public profile, and if you want to publish your podcast, you can go here and turn in podcast, and you can choose this quick podcast